Find features that differentiate it from other brands for NEWBULIG, oversized folding camping chair for adults, portable outdoor collapsible chair. And why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why. Because there are features. Heavy duty to 500 pounds capacity. Features 4 added steel frames at the base for stability and a weight capacity of 500 pounds, supporting users of all sizes. Leg tubes are coated with hammer-tone powder finish to resist corrosion and fading, while 4 non-slip feet provide secure placement on various terrains. Multiple storage for convenience. Equipped with an Oxford cloth cup holder, 6 kin-side cooler bag, and a 25x 10 inches rear mesh pocket. Keeps your essentials organized, drinks chilled, and gear within easy reach, perfect for all-day outdoor comfort. Outdoor living. Ideal for a wide range of outdoor activities, backyard relaxation, beach trips, camping adventures, hiking excursions, and group events. Weighs only 11 pounds yet supports heavy loads, making it the go-to chair for all your outdoor moments. High-density Oxford fabric for long-lasting use. Crafted from heavy-duty 300x300D Oxford fabric that is wear-resistant, tear-resistant, and water-repellent for easy cleanup. Dense weave ensures long-lasting durability and oversized seating, even after extended use. Oversized yet portable. NEWBULIG offers a spacious seat with open dimensions of 38.8 inch, length, 24.2 inch, width, 43.1 inch, height, folds down to a slim 8x 38 inch for easy transport. No assembly required, sets up instantly. Includes a polyester carry bag for hassle-free storage and travel. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.